This is a video I've wanted to make for a while now, and it's going to cover the reasons you should not make YouTube Shorts. I'm Ed, this is Business Film Booth. Let's get shorty. Oh, that is awful. Tried something new, it didn't work. It's also a film. So the first reason you should not make YouTube Shorts, and probably the most important, is just that you don't like them. There is nothing wrong with not liking vertical video or wanting to film it or edit it, write it, or anything to do with it. And because of the overnight success small channels are seeing from Shorts, there's a lot of people trying them because they don't want to miss out, which is great. Why would you? The problem is, if you really don't like making them and your channel does take off, you could end up making more and more videos you just don't want to make, and that's a punishment, not a reward. Content creation needs to have an element of fun to it at the end of the day. But do try it before you knock it, and maybe give it a good go. But even if you're sitting there shouting,
"No way, bozo, I'm never gonna make a short,"
then fair enough, that's okay. The second reason is that you don't want to lose focus. Now, there are many different traffic sources on YouTube that you can get views from. Shorts is just one of them now. If your channel is doing great and you think you're onto a winner and you don't want to chase the fast growth dream, then that's actually pretty sensible. A long-term mentality is needed no matter what you do. So keeping your eye on the prize makes a lot of sense. And the third reason not to make YouTube Shorts, have you noticed how a lot of the larger channels are just not making them? Like, really big channels just seem to be totally ignoring them. Why are they doing that? Now, other people have noticed this and they're saying it's because they don't have ads on them. You can't make money from Shorts, but I don't buy it because you can. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments too, because part of me just wonders, do they know something we don't? Fourth reason is that you've tested them and you feel like they just don't work for your channel. Right now, it does seem like content that is more general is what Shorts are about, so educational channels could struggle. But what I would say is, just because they don't get crazy amount of views from the short shelf doesn't mean they're not worthwhile or don't work. This is just the beginning. Now could be a good time to work out how to make shorts that appeal to your initial audience rather than the wider, more general audience YouTube seems to throw these things at. You can learn a lot simply by looking at how this initial audience reacts to your shorts by looking at your homepage view statistics, so that if and when it does launch in full and YouTube short suggestions are as hot as how it suggests regular videos, you might already know how to make shorts that appeal to the right kind of audience for your channel, and appealing to the right audience is everything. TikTok took a while to do this, and now educators and other channels that aren't general can thrive there too. So maybe don't give up on it forever, just say goodbye for now. And finally, I touched on this in a previous reason, probably shouldn't touch Shorts, is audience problems. So Shorts right now can seek out the wrong audience for channels because of the more general way YouTube seems to test and display them. And you might just find your content gets shown to the completely wrong set of viewers, and you end up with a 1000% increase in subscribers that shouldn't be there. So if you are seeing views from the wrong demographic, maybe wait until Shorts is more refined. Also, it's really important not to chase views and subscribers here for the sake of more views and subscribers, but the right viewers and right subscribers so they keep coming back to watch your content. Sticking to your niche and appealing to your target viewers is still very, very important with Shorts, so don't forget that. Either way, I don't think we're going to see a change on YouTube of this scale for a long time. So personally, it makes sense to try them. And probably the most interesting thing to note is YouTube Shorts is now getting 3.5 billion views a day compared to TikTok, which gets 1 billion. So have a think about that. Early adopters of new platforms always, without fail, have come out on top. Apart from those who went all in on Bebo and MySpace and Friends Reunited and Google+, Yik Yak, iTunes Ping, Byte, Friendster, and soon to be Clubhouse. I'm just kidding about that. I was always talking in a room nonsense. Warning. Ed is just angry he has an Android and cannot access Clubhouse. So I hope you've enjoyed our short series. This playlist has tons of shorts content on it, and we'll be back another day with any more updates. But please remember, a short is for life, not just for Christmas. I've got no idea what that means. Maybe it means subscribe.